Will you testify?
Hunter Biden and his defense team opted to not have the president's son testify in his criminal gun trial.
If it is just the prosecution's case and the defendant does not testify, then the burden is where it should be, which is on the prosecution. It's just too risky to have a defendant testify because you don't know what the prosecution is going to ask them.
Day 6 of the trial featured prosecutors recalling FBI Special Agent Erica Jensen to the stand. Jensen was asked about texts Hunter Biden sent between October 10th and 16th in 2018 about meeting someone at a 7-Eleven convenience store in Wilmington, Delaware. Biden had mentioned the store in a different message when he was waiting to buy drugs.
They had to show that at the time he bought this revolver, he was using drugs and was a drug addict. And they've proved that from a number of sources, particularly Hallie Biden, who's got him through text messages that he was, purchasing crack cocaine during that time period.
The timing is important because Biden bought a revolver on October 12th. He's charged with 2 counts related to lying about not being a drug addict during the time of the purchase, along with a charge related to owning the gun while abusing drugs. But Biden's defense team asked Jensen if there was location data to confirm he was at the convenience store when he sent the October 10th message. Jensen replied she didn't have that. Jensen was the only rebuttal witness called before closing arguments began Monday afternoon. In part of his final words to the jury, prosecutor Leo Wise gestured to the Biden family members in attendance, including Hunter's stepmother, First Lady Jill Biden, saying respectfully none of that matters, before telling the jurors that the evidence in the trial was all that mattered and that no one is above the law. President Biden has been supportive of his son while trying to keep his distance from the trial, and the First Lady has been in attendance on most court days. The president vowed not to pardon Hunter if he is found guilty, and the harshest sentence could carry 25 years in prison. Reporting in Washington, I'm Matt Gelka,